may want to download this application. Very, very good application as it relates to tracking footballs, matches and everything. So make sure to watch the full video. Stay tuned. As you can see here, this is pretty much the home screen of the application, and right away you'll be seeing live matches, pretty much all the matches that are playing right now around the world. So as you can see, you can scroll down and pretty much see all the matches that are playing, and as well you can see the finished match that's already played, or as you can see, and also the scheduled matches. So if I go at the top here, you can see matches that will be playing in the next hour, in the next 2 hours, tomorrow, and as you can see the dates under them as well. So when these matches will be played. So if I tap on the league option, you can also pick whichever league you want. Let's say, for example, I'm scroll and look for a league from my country, Jamaica. And if I want to pay the Jamaica Premier League, the Jamaica Cup, and let's select the Jamaica Cup here and pretty much see if they have won the cup or anything like that. The cup, but the matches, if they have won any match. So we'll take a while to look in mine. Or let me just try one of these random leagues here. So as you can see here, this league here do give you information and also fixtures of all the matches that will be played. Also their points. If I tap on the schedule, this is pretty much the fixtures, the points of the team, the stats of the league, who's on the most goal. If I tap on the goal option here, you can see who's on the most red card, yellow card, and pretty much long ball, runs out, whatever the case is here. You can also tap on the transfer option to pretty much find players who have transferred as well. In the champions, as you can see here, who won the league, and yeah, pretty much can find everyone that pretty much won the league here. So that's pretty much it for this application. And over the profile section here, do make sure you log in to be able to watch the live match feature. So the live match feature, let's say for example you tap on this option here and tap on the match that is playing right now, you'll be able to see a real-time score and also real-time where the ball is on the field. Not exactly like you would expect the live match option to be, but this is pretty much what it is. Also be seeing who has to come on the field, got a red card, who scored at that time, what time did they score, everything. Also you have the chat section here, which you can also send a message with other people, but no one's really using the application at the moment, or watching this map through the application at the moment. Also the lineup option, as you can see here, you can see who's on the field at the moment, also their stats as it relates to them being on the field. So as you can see here, all the stats as well, their points in the league, everything. And if this is pretty much your favorite league, you can tap on the star icon there to add it as your favorite, and it will show up in the favorite section. Or you can add a favorite team to your list, whatever the case is, not just leagues and so forth. And as well, if I tap on the league section, as I said before, you can search for whichever league you want, tap on it, and it will just show you all the fixtures that relates to this league. So pretty much it for that. And also if you can tap on a 2024 option, but I'm not sure why it doesn't work for the FIFA Cup World Cup. But anyways, that's pretty much it for this application. Very good application. And if I missed anything at all, please comment below. See you in the next one.